friends, so today's topic is AWS static website hosting. So nowadays many organizations use cloud-based storage service like Amazon S3 for hosting complete static website. As we all know, after coming the cloud services like AWS, Azure, Oracle Cloud, GCP, mostly developers are using static fashion websites like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This makes the application more responsive and lightweight as it does not require code running on the server side. Considering the new trend in the market, so every DevOps engineers and system administrator, cloud operations engineers must know how to run the static website as well as how to maintain. So let's see today just how we are going to implement and host the static website. So very first step, we need to go to S3 and create a new bucket. Okay, so I'm going to create a bucket name called somewhere CloudOps demo static. So as you know, the bucket name is universal, so we need to careful while giving our bucket name. Okay, so yeah, to next. Okay, I don't want anything out here. Okay, next. Okay, I want public access. No, I don't want this one. I want public access to this website. Okay, so next, create a bucket. Okay, now you can see here our CloudOps demo static website S3 bucket is created. So let's go inside. I want to upload some objects. So let's upload. So I'm going to upload my error.html and index.html files. Upload. So my files are uploaded. So let's click on index.html. Okay, we can see here the URL. So as we have not given the permission, okay, so let's see, try to open this URL. Might give an error. Yes. Okay, so let's give the permission. We can give this permission while creating the bucket. So now we are giving redirect permission. Okay, now go back, give permission to error.html also. Okay, so now we have given the permission. Let's go back. Okay, so these are my two files, error.html, index.html. So now let's see if it is opening or not. Okay, so let's go index.html, copy this URL, paste into another browser. Okay, yes, so it's working. Okay, so I want now this to be hosted as a static website. So let's go back, click on properties. Okay, here is this option. Click on static website hosting. So here you can see it is the documentation from AWS documentation website. So let's go back and enable. So before that I'm going to copy this URL. Okay, so I'm going to use this bucket to host my website index.html. Remember we copied this to file. Okay, now I'm going to save and okay, so let's try to open. Yeah, superb. So you can see here my page is open. Now let me see if my error.html is going to work. So let me do something here. Okay, so my error.html also working, which I said page not found. Okay, if someone trying to hack something or trying to do something extra, you will get an error. Okay, so is welcome to CloudOps AWS online training demo. So as I said earlier, the trend is now changed. Everyone is trying to go on serverless website hosting. So S3 static website hosting is very much important nowadays for developers and engineers. Basically know how to host the website. So this is the way where we can host the static website. So our next lecture will be TCO calculator and AWS calculator.